Did you know that the standard medical workup for thyroid problems is totally outdated and insufficient? It's true. So, most people go to their doctor and they have fatigue, they have constipation, they have weight gain, they have changes to their skin, their hair, their nails, they have cold hands and feet, they have problems with other hormones. And so the doctor, rightfully so, says, hey, let's check your thyroid. And they typically order a TSH test. And TSH is thyroid stimulating hormone, and it's the signal from the brain basically to the thyroid. And if it's high, then they assume that your thyroid needs to produce more hormone and they give you a hormone replacement. This is totally insufficient. You have four phases of hormone physiology: production, transportation, sensitivity at the cell, and detoxification. You need a thorough workup, including thyroid antibodies. If you would like to self-order tests at my cost, check the link in my bio. You can order it anywhere in the US.